All my life I've been an N-I-G-G-A. So was my grandmama and my granddaddy. And in 9 months, you can add a great-grandbaby to your list. You write us off like we don't exist. We took your water hoses and your fists, brown bags full of bullets, bombs in our pulpits. You want to take my words away when I'm a N-I-G-G-A. I'm a natural, intelligent, God-gifted African. I'm a natural, intelligent, God-gifted African. Just like you. You so black. You so black. When you smile, the stars come out. You so black. When you born, the God come out black as night. Black when it's wrong and black when it's right. Black is pyramids and mathematics. Black is melanized and magic. Black is televised and in need of drastic black advancement. Black enhances black with chances. Black with privilege. Black with pride. Black on purpose. On the black hand side. Black and beautiful. Black and blessed and highly favored. Ain't we black and blessed? Black and so much more, black and nothing less, black and educated. Black is brilliant. Black is strong. Black is resilient. Black is song. Black is infinite, like hip-hop or space. Black is grace. Black is love. Black makes babies. Black babies grow up. Black is tough. Black is hard to do. Black is me. Black is you. Black is not something that we get to choose, but it is something that we get to cherish. It's something we get to wear, and we get to rock this with honor. I'm black like my granddaddy and my great-great-great-great-grandmama. Black is that lift every voice and sing. Black is that letting your freedom ring and resound. Black is adjective, adverb, color, and noun. Black is crown. Black is clean. So, to the black as all everlasting, to the black and passing, and to every shade of black in between. As a matter of fact, if your pupils or your eyelashes are black, because I need every human being on this planet to feel applicable. Baby, you so black. Your spirit transcends this physical. Our black is original. You so black. Oh, you so black. When you smile, the stars come out. Baby, you so black. When you're born, the God comes out. Thank y'all.